Hey, Lisa Wigfall here, and in this video we're going to go to Whole Foods. We're actually on our way there now. No, I'm not driving, so I cannot use my hands, but we're going to do a part 2 of the inflationary series of shopping by sales in Whole Foods for less than $25. So while we have time, shopping by sale. So I like to find out ahead of time what's on sale and to see what we're going to have for dinner by way of sale. So look here, previously frozen white shrimp on sale. So we are having shrimp and grits tonight. All right, so getting ready to get into Whole Foods. Now, keep in mind, any store can take your whole paycheck. I know they say whole paycheck instead of Whole Foods, but it doesn't have to be that way. We're gonna follow the sales in Whole Foods. Let's go. Even if you don't have your sales paper, you always come in and this location will show what's on sale. Looks like strawberries, organic strawberries are on sale. I've got a pack, it's 2 for $6.30. Oh, tri-color though are on sale. This is actually a good deal. I'm gonna get this. Ooh, wow. Turkey. Here it is, the shrimp that is on special. Hi. Can I have a pound of the shell-on white shrimp, please? Yes. This is 20% off, right? Mm-hmm. It's on sale?
When you get to the up front, they'll ring it all for you.
Okay. Great. Oh yeah, so just to show you this is the smoked kielbasa. Great.
Good afternoon.
Thank you. You too. Do you have the shrimp? Gosh, I think that's it. I feel like I'm talking without my mask, but it's it. We're ready. One thing about Whole Foods, if you're an Amazon Prime member, you scan when you check out, and then you get an additional 10% off of the sale price. Some of the signs, the yellow signs all in the store, are the sale prices. Sometimes they already have it marked at the 10%, including the Amazon price. Sometimes not. But let's see what we're going to come up with. So I'm queuing up my Whole Foods app. Right there. Whole Foods app. Open it up. And home. And then my one-time code that I'm going to scan when I check out.
It's going to be $25.01.
Wow, look at that. 25 shrimp and grits. All right, so we have what I need to make shrimp and grits. So it was a little over $25, $25.01. And we have the shrimp and we have turkey kielbasa uncured. Let's go. Done. While I'm remembering it, if this is your first time to this channel, definitely subscribe to the channel, like this video, and watch as many as you want. But look, it is ready. Delicious. It's ready. I'm getting ready to eat. So, less than $25 shrimp and grits dinner from Whole Foods. Now, it's not about shopping at Whole Foods. Any store, you can go whole paycheck. But just remember to follow the sale. So we did sale shopping at Whole Foods, and our dinner is shrimp and grits. It feeds about family of 4 or 5. So I'm getting ready to eat. I hope that you enjoyed part 2 of the series, Inflation Fighting Meals. My name is Lisa Wigfall. I love to end my videos with this. Remember, most of all, as best as you can, remember to live, love, laugh, and smile. Until next time, bye.